Hey guys, it's Jim. Thanks for tuning in. I've got a quick video for you today. There's a flash sale for 72 hours on Aurora HDR. It's my favorite HDR. In fact, it's the only HDR software I use. I no longer use Photomatics or HDR Effects Pro. The stuff in Lightroom really isn't that good. I don't really care about anything else. So I only use Aurora. I love it, and I want to talk about that real quickly. But there's a 72-hour flash sale just through the weekend. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, it's $20 off. The price is regularly $99. It's on sale for $79. If you use a coupon code, such as mine, which is just my name, Jim Nix, you get another $10 off. So you can get it for $69 for a new user. If you already have an existing version of it, you can get it for $39, and with the coupon code $29. So let me show you how you do that. Okay, go to the Aurora HDR website. By the way, if you need help with education, just click on video tutorials. There's a bunch of stuff here, and a lot of these I created. So these are all free training videos that'll help you learn how to use it. By the way, I also have a YouTube channel, just youtube.com/Jim Nix. If you scroll down the front page, you will see right here, Learning Aurora HDR 2018. Click on that. Here's 20 free videos that teach you how to use it that are different than the ones on the Aurora HDR website. So let me go back. Now, I'm recording this before the special offer goes live, so the pricing isn't going to look the same. But by the time you click it, it will. So click on Buy Now, and once you do that, you're brought to their store, and it'll say $79. And then if you have a coupon code, just type in Jim Nix right there and hit Apply, and it'll take $10 off just like that. Again, the price will be $79, $10 off will make it $69. If you're an existing user, it'll be $39 minus $10, $29. You can also buy Trey's full HDR tutorial for only $29, and then you just book the order that way. So that's how it works. It's a great deal. Let me tell you a little bit about the product. Just a quick tutorial here. This will be real fast. And by the way, I want to disclose I am an affiliate with Skyloom Software, and so if you use the links and my coupon code, I make a couple of bucks every time you do that. It's a way to help support me. It doesn't cost you any more. In fact, using my coupon code actually saves you money, but I just wanted to disclose that. I do make a couple of bucks on that. But the reason I'm doing this is because I love this stuff and I want to make you aware of it. So here's a three exposure bracket set. Let me go to the dark, medium, and light. Okay, so what did I do? I dropped them into Aurora HDR, and I got this, right? So there's the middle exposure. There's my current base HDR with no adjustments. But you've got all these filters over here. Now again, this is not a full tutorial, but you can just come in here. You can change the contrast. Maybe you want to brighten it a little bit. A little HDR enhance to give it a little bit of punch. Maybe a little smart tone to brighten some of the darker areas, but not really brighten the stuff that's already kind of bright. Maybe you want to take the temperature down and cool it off a little bit. Maybe change the tint, get a little bit better mood. Come over here to color. You can just say, hey, I really want some more vibrance, maybe a little bit of color contrast. HDR structure is a great filter for bringing up some of that crunchy HDR detail. You can go in there, how about image radiance? Sure, Jim, I'll take some of that. You can just give that a little bit of moody glow, a little bit of dreaminess. Maybe brighten it a little bit, maybe cool it off a tiny bit. There are all these filters. In fact, it's a little dark in the bottom, so you can go to top and bottom lighting, tuning, go to bottom and just drag the exposure slider, brightens the bottom of the frame. And now I've already got a much different photo from there to there, and I'm just sitting here doing this as I'm talking to you. So it's quick and easy. There's plenty of other filters to play with. You can also denoise if you think there's a little noise in the sky, and there's not really, but let's say you want to do that, just add a new adjustment layer like that. And then what do? You grab the HDR denoise filter and you just drag that there, smooth it out, boost it if you want to. Now it's affecting the entire photo, but that's okay. Just grab your brush, go like that, and you can just paint it into the sky, and that'll smooth out the sky, take all the noise out of there, and leave the rest of the photo looking crisp and detailed like we did it before. Just click done when you're done, and in a couple of seconds you went from that to that with Aurora HDR. So that's all I was going to talk about today. Just a quick, basically a marketing video for lack of a better word. This is how I make my living, making affiliate income as well as products that I sell and that sort of thing. So I appreciate the support, and that's why I wanted to disclose that I use the links and my coupon code. I make a couple bucks whenever you do that. So thanks for tuning in and watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them here, and It's just this weekend, so take advantage of the $20 off and save an extra $10, making it $30 off. If for new users, that is. What am I trying to say? $10 off extra for using my coupon code. I don't know what I'm trying to say, but that's what I was trying to say. So that's it, my friends. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. I'll be back real soon with another Luminar video, and you can catch that right here. So hit subscribe, hit like, leave me a comment. Let me know if you have any questions. See you soon. Thanks much. Have a great one, and adios.